Alright, hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be working on the Bronco here for a little bit. So we're going to be putting on the Rough Country Muffler Delete kit. I think it's going to be pretty cool because it gives you a lot of extra clearance under there and it'll make this thing sound a little better. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and throw this thing on real quick. I'll show you the install. And then I have some sound clips that I'll show you guys of before and after so you can see how much of a difference it makes sound-wise. And then we'll also try and get a measurement of clearances too, see how much extra clearance it gives you. So, alright, let's go and get into the install. Alright guys, so the first thing we gotta do to get this old muffler off is we gotta take off this clamp right here. So that's a 15 millimeter on mine. On the Rough Country directions it says 17, but on mine it's a 15. So I got a 15 millimeter deep well socket to take that off, and you're gonna wanna keep this clamp to put the new pipe on from Rough Country. And then after that, we're just gonna pop these hangers out real quick. They're just rubber, you just push them out. And I believe that's the only one. Oh no, there's two. So there's one right here on the right side of the clamp. Then there's another one all the way over here to the very left near your exhaust tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy out of here. Alright guys, well, I ended up getting the install done off camera just because it was so simple. I literally just figured I'd do it and show you guys what I did. That would probably be easier. So once I got those rubber hangers pulled off and unbolted the clamp for my muffler, it just literally pulled straight out. It was super easy. So then this is the new Rough Country pipe, the muffler delete kit. So I literally just took it and shoved it up in the main exhaust pipe, put the clamp on there, and tightened it back down. And then this is really the only thing that's kind of difficult, is like they give you this metal piece right here with a new hanger, and you have to, there's two holes right here in your frame, but if you see, there's a hole, like two holes down here, and then there's two holes right here, so you can kind of stick your fingers through there and push the bolts like through from the inside, and then you just mount them right here. It was kind of difficult getting them tightened because you can't really fit a wrench into these holes, but I had some long pliers that I was able to put in there and hold the bolt still so I could tighten it down with the ratchet. And then they give you this new rubber hanger, and that's it. And it's a ton of extra clearance. I didn't get a measurement, I forgot. But I mean, you can see like the muffler used to hang down like about right here. So we have a ton of extra clearance now. Like, it's insane how much it opened it up down here. But yeah, let's see how it sounds. guys, well that's pretty much it. This thing sounds so much better with this muffler delete kit. It's a lot deeper, throatier growl, but it's not too loud. I think it sounds perfect, honestly. And I got a lot more clearance off-road, so that's a win. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this, I got some more stuff coming out for the Bronco. I'm going to put a new winch on there, and then I'm going to do a review on this modular bumper that I got off eBay. It's just a knockoff that was like a third of the price of the Ford one. And it came with the sensor holes, which was huge because I couldn't find any online that came with the sensor holes, but this one did. And that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one.